Okay, if I want to go from the name, the long, weird name, down to just the quick formula that's just the symbols for a molecular compound, I'm gonna open up my notes and I'm gonna go down here where it says names formulas for molecular compounds. Okay, it's really fast, okay? It tells us, write the symbol for the first element and then the Greek prefix as a subscript number to the right of the symbol. Repeat for the second guy. Okay, so here's what we mean. If we're given decacarbon trihydride and they say, hey, give us the formula. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out who my element is for the first guy. So the element we can take out is carbon, right? We recognize that name. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna write a big C for carbon. Okay, and now we need to take this deca and translate it into a number. So down here, deca is 10. I'm just gonna put a little 10 right there. Okay, now I can repeat it for the second guy. So I'm gonna go find who my element is here. This one's a little bit trickier. We see hydra, because remember we always change to "ide," so it takes off the end. But hydra, we can guess, is hydrogen. So that's just an H. And then tri, we can look down here, is 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a 3 there. Boom, you're done. Let's try another one. Sulfur hexoxide. So first thing I'm going to do, write the symbol for the first element and then its Greek prefix. So sulfur, oh wow, they gave that to us. It's just a big S, okay? But then there's no prefix, so what are we supposed to do? Well, to remind ourselves from when we go from a formula to a name, that if the beginning one only starts with a 1, we just pretend like there is no mono there. So because we have nothing here in the front, we know that there's just 1 sulfur. Okay, so we don't need to write a 1 because that's excessive. If you really want to, I'm not gonna be a jerk about it, but it's good practice to know that you don't actually write out the 1. We can go to the second guy, hexoxide. We have to figure out who our element is. Ox gives us the idea that it's going to be oxygen. Remember, "ide" we just changed to the end, so that doesn't really matter. And then hex, we gotta go look. Hex is 6, so SO6. I like those ones.